Imagine the universe as a vast, silent orchestra playing an endless symphony of energy, a cosmic score written in waves. This is the electromagnetic spectrum. It stretches from the long, lazy hum of radio waves through the microwaves that cook our food, all the way to the high energy, frenetic pulses of X rays and gamma rays. Our entire reality is bathed in this invisible music. Yet, our eyes, the instruments we use to perceive the world, are tuned to only a tiny sliver of this grand performance. It's a beautiful but incredibly narrow window. Out of this immense range of cosmic radiation, our vision is confined to a sliver of what we call visible light. This is the part of the spectrum with wavelengths between roughly 400 and 700 nanometers. It's the band of energy that our sun happens to produce in abundance, and the one our eyes evolved to detect. Within this tiny fraction of reality, a whole world of color explodes into existence. It's the light that paints our world, giving form and texture to the canvas of our perception. Though it seems all-encompassing to us, this visible world is just a footnote in the much larger, unseen story of the universe. Within this narrow band of visible light lies every color we have ever known, a continuous spectrum we often simplify into the familiar colors of the rainbow. We see the warm, long wavelengths of red, the vibrant glow of orange, and the cheerful brightness of yellow. As the wavelengths shorten, we perceive the lushness of green, the depth of the sky in blue, the mysterious shade of indigo, and finally, the rich, short wavelength hue of violet. This familiar sequence, ROYGBIV, is our personal translation of physics into poetry. It is the language of light that our brains have learned to speak, a vibrant dialect carved from an infinitesimal piece of the universe's full vocabulary. But what if we could see beyond our biological limits? Imagine looking at a cool forest path, not with your eyes, but with a detector for infrared radiation. Suddenly, the world transforms. You would see the hidden warmth of a mouse scurrying under the leaves, its body glowing brightly against the cool soil. A flower that appears one solid color to us might reveal intricate patterns to a bee, which can see in ultraviolet light. These patterns, invisible to us, are nectar guides, like landing strips on an aircraft carrier, directing the bee to its reward. This isn't science fiction. It's the daily reality for countless creatures and a world we can now access through technology. Our human eyes may be limited, but our curiosity is not. Through the ingenuity of science, we have built new eyes for ourselves. We've constructed radio telescopes to listen to the whispers of distant galaxies and X-ray observatories to witness the violent death of stars. We use infrared cameras to peer through cosmic dust and find newborn stars, and ultraviolet sensors to study the atmospheres of alien worlds. We are no longer bound by the limits of our biology. We are learning to see the unseen, to perceive the full, glorious spectrum of our universe, and in doing so, we are uncovering the invisible colors that truly shape everything we know.